Okay, let's make a start. It's Ielts speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Let's start with you. Do you like morning or evening time?
I definitely like evenings more than morning because evenings are quite smooth and quite disciplined. That's why I like evening more than morning.
Okay, what do you usually do in the evening?
Uh, Majority of most of the time I am busy in my office or either in my studies. But after all those things, and I get free time, I used to watch some old
I
cartoons.
usually watch.
Sorry, I usually watch some old cartoons to get back into my childhood.
Okay, are you a morning or night person?
No, I'm a morning person. I wake up very early in the morning, like after the Fajr. Even before the Fajr prayers, I wake up, then have my prayers, and then all my day continues.
Do you get up early on the weekend as well?
Actually, I don't want to get up early in the weekend, but because I'm habitual to wake up early, so I actually get wake up early on the weekends too.
Okay, that's good. Overall, it's fine.
Okay.
Just try to add a couple of sentences more
Okay.
because some of your answers were really short. So
Okay.
add more sentences,
Okay,
and
sure.
your style is good.
Okay, thank
Now,
you.
let's go on. Do you like to use computer, laptop, or desktop?
Yeah, I like to use computer because I also studied in computer science. So I'm a software engineer, by the way. So I think that it's a need to use laptop or computer.
Okay. What's
Yeah.
your favorite software? What's your favorite computer software?
My favorite software is like is a software. I don't know the name right now, but it's a software. It designed for to teaching us all teaching us languages like
Mhm.
it it is made to be it was made to be like students to use them to software
Mhm.
engineering field. So I like that software, but right now I don't know the name.
Okay, no problem. Do you think children should use computer?
uh, it's my thinking that children should use computer because it's a need. It is need of this era. All the peoples and all the other countries are using computer and they are master in their field, in their computer field. By the way, our country is like to be quite
My
backward.
question is about children and using computer,
Children
and your
use
answer is
computer.
irrelevant to that. So
Okay.
when you answer the question, keep the main question in mind. Otherwise, your answer will be off the topic or irrelevant answer. One last question. Would you like to learn about any new computer software in the future?
Yes, I want to be.
I would
Learn.
like to
I would
learn.
like to learn a new software because it gives me more strength and more powerful. So I like
Listen,
to
you can
use.
talk about any artificial intelligence based software. This topic is very in. Since I would love to learn about some softwares which are based
Based
on
on
artificial intelligence,
right
as this concept is very much in. So I would like to learn about some softwares
software
which are for artificial intelligence, something
which
like
are
that,
based
okay?
on artificial
Exactly.
intelligence.
And talk about the things with surety. If she said, I would like to learn about a new software is very useful, you need to talk about a software. It can be accounting software, it can be a software related to Ielts
Right.
or anything like that, okay?
Mm.
All right, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thanks.